Okay, now that we have used the zip ties to put the tub together, we've dropped it down on the cart. The cart is of course adjustable depending on what your height is and how it's going to work for you. We also will put multiple holes in it so we can adjust the height of the bars that support the glass. And I use a 15/16 drill bit here because I'm going to be using, the best is the copper pipe. The copper pipe won't rust. Now I've got some old ones here that are not copper and they get pretty gnarly. So this is a 1-inch pipe. So what we're going to do here is we've marked precisely where we want our holes. What's really nice about the plastic is it is pretty easy to go through, but it doesn't crack. When I started doing this, I was using a plastic tub, but the plastic would crack when you put holes in it. And this is the back. That we made the same measurements on the front, same height and same position. Okay, then we're gonna spin it around. Also, we did make a splash board here. Our old one, as you can see down here, has gotten kind of grody from use. So we did make a nice new fresh one. Just the same thing, just a little bit of a pattern that fits in and keeps you from getting all the water on you. So we're going to spin it around here. And we've got the holes marked on the back to match. And we've attached our splash board here in between the holes. Now we're going through a couple thicknesses this direction. All right. Now, with our rod here, we haven't put the back on it yet, we'll be able to attach the smaller buoys. These are pull toys. When you get these, make sure that they have the larger hole because some of them have a very small hole and they won't fit the 1-inch pipe. This is going to be the support for the glass. So this will go in here. Okay, and the buoy goes on it, and then it'll go through the matching hole here. Now that will support the glass quite well. All right.